Hi, Ladybirds. So, for your choosing time challenge today, it's going to be a really, really fun one that hopefully you really enjoy. Now, before I tell you a little bit about your challenge, I wanted to tell you a little bit about some of the planets that we have in space, because that is part of what we are learning about the moment, isn't it? We've been learning a little bit about space, and I've got a really exciting information here, which I'll read to you in a little more length in one of our story time or non-fiction and book time, information book time sessions. But I thought I'd just share with you a little bit about planets today so you can then have a little bit of fun with the choosing challenge. Now, so for this challenge, you can see that there are lots of different types of planets. And there are lots of different ones in our solar system. You might notice some ones which you might be a little bit more familiar with. So this one is Earth, and Earth is the planet which we live on. That's where our home is. But there are other ones too, and there are lots of different ones. There's ones like Saturn, which have the amazing asteroid belts that go around them, and, and they're like a ring of dust or rock or ice circling them, which is really exciting. There's also massive, massive, humongous planets like Jupiter. There's Uranus, there's Neptune, Venus, Mercury, Mars. There are so many different ones. Now, to help you to think about planets and trying to see if you can remember them, because we have 8 planets in our solar system. I came up with, or I heard something when I was in school, which was a fun little way of remembering them. And it was called My Very Easy Method Just Speeds Up Naming Planets. Now, there are 9 words there, but there are 8 planets. I'm going to tell you a little bit about why there are 9. Now, it goes like this. It says, My Very Easy Method, because what it does is it uses the first letter from each planet, and it helps me remember them. So my is Mercury, very is Venus, easy is Earth, method is Mars, just speeds up, which just is Jupiter, speeds is Saturn, up is Uranus, and naming is Neptune, and then planets is Pluto. Now, Pluto is a really interesting one because Pluto used to be considered a planet. We used to have 9 planets in our solar system, but they decided that because of Pluto's size and certain things about Pluto, that they thought it's actually what's called a dwarf planet. So it's a very, very small planet instead, and it doesn't quite now fit into the main big 8, okay, that we have. So I just thought that might be a useful way of you maybe remembering some of those planets. So it says, my very easy method just speeds up naming planets. And then it might be that if you're trying to think of a planet, you can think of, oh, well, my very easy, well, what would easy be? Easy begins with that. Or, oh, so easy beginning with that E. What would the planet be called? Oh yes, it would be called Earth. Okay, so it might be that that's something that helps you. Now, for your challenge today, and what's your challenge? Well, what I thought would be really cool is if you had to go at making your own little solar system, but in a fun way when you're having maybe snack, or when you're having maybe a meal or lunch or something today, by using some food to make up a solar system. Do you want me to show you how? So, lots of different ways you could do this. These are 2 of the ways here. If I show you this one, what this person has done is that they have made some different planets like the solar system just using some snack and some fruit. So Now you don't have to use these things if you don't have this is kiwi, for instance. Well, if you don't have kiwi at home, that's not a problem. You don't have to have kiwi, but maybe you could use something else. It might be that you've maybe only say got grapes at home, and what you could also do is you could count out grapes for each different planet and how it have a number. But some really interesting ways that they've done this. That they've got up a segment of orange is the sun. They've done lots of different ways. And look, this is a really I love this one. I don't know how well you can see this, ladybirds. They've got a little bit of banana here, and then they have put round the banana this ring. Can you think why they might have done that? Maybe see if you could try and figure out that. Why might they have put a ring around the banana? That's a really interesting way. Now, they've done their solar system by lining the planets up so that they can see how far away they are from the sun. This is another way of doing it because what planets do is that they do something called orbit. And what that means is that they go round the sun. And there's lots of learning around that. For your little challenge, you might want to maybe use a little sun in the middle of your plate. It could be you do a little pile of baked beans. It could be that you do a little bit of chips, or it could be anything that you have. Hopefully, you'll be able to practice this challenge. And then they've, I think for this one, they might have used a bit of cream, perhaps, or it might be a bit of yogurt. Maybe yogurt would be really nice. And they've done what's called these circular lines, which is the orbit that the planet is going around. So you'll see some planets orbit the sun really closely, and they have quite a small little journey to travel around the sun. Whereas other planets, it takes a lot longer for them to travel around the sun because they have a much bigger circle to travel around. That's one thing that you could do. Or finally, it could be that you think carefully about your choices and what you might use. Because in this one, some of the people here tried to have a go at making some of the planets and thinking a little bit about maybe what those planets are like in terms of their size. So you can see that Mercury is a very, very small planet. So I think here they've used like a peanut for Mercury, whereas other planets like Jupiter is clearly a much larger planet, isn't it? I mean, look at the size difference. So it might be that you think a little bit about what food you have, and if there's anything you can use to represent for little planets, anything you can use to represent for bigger ones. And then the fun thing is, you get to eat it afterwards. Yum, yum, yum. So that is your little challenge today. I hope you have fun making your own edible solar system that you can eat and gobble up. I hope you have lots of fun doing that today, and hopefully as well it's not too much extra work for you to do, because hopefully you'll be having some nice yummy lunch anyway. So maybe see if you can get a little bit creative thinking about how your lunch might look a little bit extra fun today. Enjoy the challenge, ladybirds. Bye.